Welcome to .com Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to sell your service in Hostinger website builder. This is an example of the service or the editing service that we will see how to create or how to add in your website. This is the title, the subtitle, the original price, discounted price, subtitles or extra or options for your products. Add to bag, multiple photos, additional sections that can be used for information like delivery time or shipping policy. This is your product description. You can even add a video to your products description, and here you can add related products. Without any further ado, let's see how to add a service product in Hostinger website builder. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. Then click on this add website button. Select Hostinger website builder. Here you can use pre-made templates to create your online store or let Hostinger AI build it for you. For this video, I will go with Hostinger AI, so I will fill in my brand name. My brand name is Sharpcut Media, and here I will describe my online store or website. For example, create an online store where I can sell my video editing service. As you see, this is a great description, and as a suggestion, Hostinger allows me to check or uncheck this option next to add online store to my site. Since I want an online store, I will check this box and hit this create a website button. This is the result I got using this simple prompt. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can click on this create again button, and you will see this Hostinger AI project description window again. Rewrite your description and hit this create a website button. After doing this, you can switch between your results from here. As you see, you can choose from the last 5 versions. You can preview your website in the mobile mode, and after that you can pick a colors for your website. For example, I like this blue. After that, click on this continue button. I was automatically landed on the store manager area. You can switch between your online store on Hostinger or your website just from here. Click on edit website, and this is the website I got using Hostinger AI. Let's preview it live. Let's go back to the editor. Till now, this website is not yet available online, so you need to click on this go live button in order to publish your website online. Now let's view my website live. Now my website is accessible on this address. As you see, my website header is sticky to the top. I got an announcement bar above the header. These are products available in my store or my online store. Now let's see how to add your own or how to add a new service in this website. Simply go back to the website builder and switch to the online store. Then go to products. Click on this add products button. Here from the website, from the product type, select service. Here you have two options. You can upload your image and let Hostinger AI generate product details for you, or just upload your image simply and fill in your product details manually. I will use the Hostinger AI option. So this is my photo. Before, I don't recommend you uploading it without optimizing this photo file size and also the resolution. So what I will do, I will copy this image or I will download it. Photo downloaded. As you see, the file or the image size is 1.7 megabyte, which is very big for web. Here I will go to this website called photop.com, hit this new project button, select Instagram in order to get a square image, and now drag and move your photo just like that. Let's make it a little bit. Now this is, I think this is good. And now let's export my image as a JPG and not PNG in order to get a small size photo. As you see, now my photo is only 145 kilobytes. I think it's 10% of 5% optimized, 95%. My optimized photo is 147 kilobytes and the original was 1.7 megabytes. So there is a very big difference between the two. Now upload my image, locate your optimized photo and also in the square, because square photos looks good on PC and also on mobile. Upload your photo. Now the Hostinger AI creates text for us. And let's read the title: Professional Video Editing Workstation. I think the AI did a great job, but this is not what I wanted, because the title that the AI gave us is Professional Video Editing Workstation. Here I didn't pick the right photo. My product or my service is video editing and not selling editing workstations. So I will delete this title, this subtitle, also this description, and I will use my own ones. This is the title: video editing, professional YouTube and social media edits, and this is the description. Your product, or I will cut this one here and use it as a subtitle. And for ribbon, I can call it new. Now let's scroll down here. To upload multiple images or to add multiple images, just hit this add media button and select images and locate your photos on your computer and hit open. If you want the AI to generate new product details, just click on this button. And from my experience, the Hostinger AI base its work on the first image you upload. So if you want to upload multiple photos for your product, upload first a single photo that will give you good results or good AI text results. After that, upload the rest of your product photos. Here in the description, you can use AI writer to describe your product. You can upload a photo. Click on this photo icon. Locate your photo here and double click it. Click on insert and you will see it here. I will add this photo, or I will put the text. I will put the text first, just like that. You can even add a video in your product description. Click on this YouTube icon. This is my YouTube video link. Click on insert and you will see your YouTube video in your product description. Now let's move on to the pricing of the service. I will go with a pricing of original price of 150 and the discounted price is 59. If you have multiple products on your online store, I recommend you to give them an SKU, for example, social media video editing. And for the wage, I will skip it because this is digital. And since this is also digital, we will not track quantity. If you check this box or this option next to hide add to bag, your online store will become a product catalog. So viewers cannot purchase your service. So uncheck it like that. These sections will can be used, for example, for shipping policy or delivery time or guarantees. You can add them just like that. Click on add info section. I will add a second info section. These additional info sections will be displayed below, I think below the add to bag button. Now let's jump to the options. And here for options, you can add multiple options for your product like size or color. And Hostinger will create unique product variant with very different combinations. Click on add option. My first option will be adding subtitles. I will call it yes or no. Add the second, click on save. Now let's add another option. Add extra revisions. Click on save. Fast delivery. Add subtitle, rush delivery. I think everything is good. Here I will click on manage variants in order to give each variant its correct image. For physical products like loads, for example, let's say you sell t-shirts. Here, if your variants are color, here pick or give Hostinger the correct variant color. Let's say this variant called red. Here pick the red t-shirt. So when someone click on this variant, he sees the exact product photo or the exact variant photo. So here I will fix the prices. Since this extra revision is cost plus 15, here I will add I think it will be 74. Same thing here, plus 20, plus 25, 80, 84. Same thing here. So fix the discounted price in order to have the correct prices. And in this custom field section, you can enable customers to personalize their product by adding a custom text on it. For example, if you sell here for digital product or for a digital service, I can ask it, for example, give me your video link or something like that. I will skip this custom field section. And here under categories, I recommend you to use categories in order to keep your online store organized. You can add a new category just like that. New category and hit enter or click on this add. And the AI suggests this category, which is video editing. I will select it because it's correct. Below related products, you can show related products or not. And give this section your own name. For example, you may also like, and you can pick what related products to show for a specific category or all available products on your store. I will go with all available. Now click on save. your changes aren't live yet, you need to publish your site for your product changes to go live. So click on this edit website button and hit this update website button again to publish your products online. Let's view my website live. Go to shop. This is my video editing product. Click on it. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.com/builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. This is my video editing product. Click on it. And this is the product page. This is the title, the subtitle, original price, discounted price. The first, I think, the first option is adding subtitles or not. As you see, as I select an option, the original price and discounted price updates automatically. Same thing for the second option, which is extra revision. And the rush delivery, of course, same thing. Here someone can add the quantity of your products, and below the add to bag you can see the additional info sections. This is the first one, the second one, the third one. Here you can use these additional info sections to talk about, for example, shipping policy, return, guarantees, and so on. And this is my product photo. If I click on it, it opens up with multiple product photos. The second ones will show up here. I will add them now. Manage store. Go to products. Click on this product. Add media. Locate the photos you want to upload. I think these are the photos. Click on open. And wait a moment. Now click on save and always you need to update your website to publish any changes. Now let's go back to, or let's view my website. Go to shop, click on my service, and this is how the photos looks like. And below my photos, there is my product description. This is the photo and this is the video. And below this, you will see the related products. Now, if you try to buy your product, you will see this message. Don't worry, this is easy to fix. You only need to create a shipping option and have a connected payment gateway. How to do this? Simply go to YouTube. Then search for how to fix we can't accept online orders right now and look for this channel, Ben's Experience, and this video will show you how to fix it. And this is how to add a service product in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.